For this week's game review, I am reviewing a game available online at Nova. It is called GPS New Navigation. I'm having a science teacher actually play it to illustrate use of gaming and promoting literacy. Mr. Hill teaches middle school science, and his classroom is filled with lots of gamers. So this video will probably also be used to show these kids how to do this. So let's get started. We're going to select a satellite here, and now we're going to click on the receiver. And at this point, this is where Mr. Hill will explain what the math is involved in this game. Go ahead.
So the satellites put out a radio signal, and your GPS detects that radio signal, but the signals go out at very, very specific times, and the GPS has a time lag due to the speed of light, taking a while for the signal from the satellite. It should be here, and this is it on my GPS. So what I have to do is line up my GPS signal so that it matches the satellite time, and then that tells me that no, it's not working. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Alright, there we go. So now that tells me that it's 0.06 seconds difference from my GPS to the satellite from what it should be. So the speed of light is 186,000 miles per second, and it took 0.06 seconds to arrive. And I click on the equal sign, and that tells me that it took 11,000. I'm 11,160 miles away from that satellite, which means my location is somewhere on this circle. But just like with earthquake location, or even cell phone location, it has to have 3 points to narrow it down. So I have to get another satellite. I have to have at least 3 satellites. And so now I have to go and click on this GPS to see if I can limit what circle I'm on. So now I have a different signal. Similarly, I have to synchronize the signal from my GPS to match the satellite. This time it's 0.07 seconds away. Speed of light is still going to be the same. And 0.07. By the way, the satellites actually do correct for variations in the speed of light as they go through different layers of the atmosphere and things. The equal sign. So that tells me now that I'm in either here or here, but I could also be sort of anywhere in this area. So what do I need if I want to know whether I'm here or here? I need another satellite. So I click my GPS, I find the signal, I synchronize these signals. This time it's 0.05 seconds away, so this is still 186,000. 0.05 seconds. And so now I have actually 2 possible locations. This is because, unlike on a flat surface where you would have it narrowed down, they would actually cross. Here I have 3-dimensional surface. So I'm somewhere on one of these 2 points. So I want to click on that intersection to zoom that up a little bit. And I can see that one of those points is right here on the globe, and the other one is 100 miles above the surface of the Earth. So obviously I would need more satellites if I was an airplane where I would actually possibly be 100 miles above the Earth. But since this is a land navigation, I must be here. And you would discover that you are right where you always hoped you would be, in Barbados. And the point of being in Barbados is this is where the problem of plotting your longitude was first solved by John Harrison back in the 1700s. It took him a long time to finally get paid, but they had a 50,000 pound award for anybody that could solve the longitude problem. And to get longitude you have to have a very accurate clock, but because all clocks were pendulum clocks, they wouldn't work on sailing ships.
Thanks, Mr. Hill. And that's it for my game review. For more information, read the online portion. Thank you.